Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 29th of November, 2024. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 19th of September, 2024, our system has identified MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.67. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 167.85% since we first designated MicroStrategy Incorporated as a buy candidate 51 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.29% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 102.91% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 92.69% to 214.68%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 75.84% over the next 12 months, with a potential return spanning from negative 26.10% to 117.28%. This corresponds to a price range of $286.34 to $841.88 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The stock price of MicroStrategy Incorporated experienced a decline of approximately 0.352% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 29th of November, 2024. The price decreased from $388.84 to $387.47. During the trading session, the stock exhibited considerable volatility, fluctuating by 9.61%, with a low of $381 and a high of $417.62. Notably, the stock has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 18.25% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume should align with the price movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 13 million shares, with a total of 21 million shares exchanged for approximately $8.32 billion. Over the previous 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $542.99 and its lowest price of $43.89. Currently, the price stands 28.64% or $155.52 below the 52-week high of $542.99, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy stock has experienced a significant increase, trading up 6.5% to approximately $414, largely fueled by Bitcoin's rise towards the $100,000 mark. As the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, MicroStrategy is viewed by investors as a prime cryptocurrency investment. This view is further reinforced by Bitcoin's recent resurgence, which has generated optimism throughout the cryptocurrency market. The company's stock has experienced an astonishing rise, more than 700% over the past year, and over 2,600% since late 2019, highlighting its strategic alignment with digital assets. In the short term, sustained momentum in Bitcoin prices could continue to propel MicroStrategy stock higher, attracting more retail and institutional investors seeking exposure to cryptocurrencies without directly holding them. Additionally, the anticipated pro-cryptocurrency regulatory stance following the recent election outcome adds another layer of bullish sentiment surrounding cryptocurrencies, which may support MicroStrategy's valuation as a cryptocurrency proxy. However, caution is advised. The historical volatility of Bitcoin and potential market corrections could present risks to MicroStrategy's stock price in the long term. Investors should pay close attention to how Bitcoin behaves if it struggles to breach critical resistance levels, as this could impact overall sentiment in crypto-linked stocks. Nonetheless, as investors increasingly perceive MicroStrategy as a leveraged play on Bitcoin, the company is likely to remain a key topic in discussions related to cryptocurrency investments. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned MSTR a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark also gave MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Sunday, the 22nd of September, 2024, Barclays rated MSTR as overweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of September, 2024, Cowen & Company rated MSTR with a buy designation and a hold action. On Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, Barclays assigned MSTR an overweight rating with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. MicroStrategy Incorporated stock currently has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $403.78. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $290.14. A breakthrough of the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD, is also generating a buy signal. Nevertheless, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the stock's short-term trajectory. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 20th, 2024, and so far, the stock has decreased by 18.23%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 61 days, short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 52 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 54 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 40 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $353.69 and $340. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may drop to the next support level. In this instance, MicroStrategy Incorporated has support just below today's level at $353.69. If this support is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $340 and at $328.38. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $36.62 between its highest and lowest points, representing a movement of 9.61%. For the past week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 13.08%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors that are beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at negative 13 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $397.28. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated faces its first support level at $353.69. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from various analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Graham Stephen X, who bought and sold 40,000 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider transactions reveals a negative insider power, reflected in a ratio of negative 33.338. In total, insiders acquired 361,029 shares, while divesting 728,865 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $365.23, representing a decrease of 5.74%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which contributes to a significant level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of December, we anticipate MicroStrategy Incorporated to open at $7.89 and begin trading at $395.36. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? If you find our content valuable, please remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.